Hi dears, in this video we will discuss exercise 3.2. Question number 1. Form the pair of linear equations in the following problem and find the solutions. 10 students of class 10 took part in mathematics quiz. If the number of girls is 4 more than number of boys, find the number of boys and girls who took part in the quiz. First of all, read out the question twice or thrice and understand what they have given and list out the conditions. Here they have given total 10 students and other condition is number of girls is 4 more than means we need to use addition. Okay, so these are the two hints that we will use to form the equation first of all. But to start with the equation, we don't know the number of girls and we don't know the number of boys. What we know is totally 10 students. Since both of them is not known, we are going to assume the variables for that. So let number of boys in the participated in the quiz be X. Same way, let number of girls participated in the quiz be Y. And first condition they have given total 10 students. So total boys and girls, isn't it? So first equation is X plus Y is equal to 10. We can't simplify this equation further, so we can have it as it is. Next condition, number of girls, that is we have assumed it as Y. 4 more than, more is addition, so 4 plus number of boys we have assumed as X. Either you can have it as it is or you can group the Y to the other side along with X. So what will we get? X minus Y plus 4 equal to 0. Or you can take this plus 4 to the right side as minus 4. So we have framed two equations according to the conditions given in the question. Now we need to solve it graphically. So for that, what we need to do? We need to find the X and Y values. So first we'll find here, either you can have Y one side or X in one side. We'll take Y is equal to, if X goes that side, we have minus X. Now we'll find the value for Y by substituting X. If you substitute X as 0, 10 minus 0, it is 10. If you substitute X as 5, 10 minus 5 is 5. We have 0, 10 and 5, 5 to plot on the graph. Similarly, here we'll take this Y to the other side. So we have Y is equal to 4 plus X. So we'll substitute for X. Let's see what we are getting. If you substitute X as 0, 4 plus 0, Y is 4. If you substitute X as 6, 4 plus 6, we get Y as 10. So we get 0, 4, 6, 10 for plotting. So just do it in the graph sheet. Here I will work it and show it on the board. So after plotting, we will draw the line and mention the equation. So first use the first equation 0, 10, 5, 5 and either here or here write that equation, or if you have mentioned the equation number, then mention that equation number here. Okay. Then we have 0, 4 and 6, 10. Plot the points and draw the line by connecting the points and mention the equation. If you check, these two lines are intersecting at this point and we check the coordinates, the points are 3, 7 and that is the solution. 3, 7, we have assumed X as number of boys, so it is 3, and Y as number of girls, so it is 7. So number of boys is 3 and number of girls is 7 participated in the quiz. Second subdivision, 5 pencils and 7 pens together cost rupees 50, whereas 7 pencils and 5 pens together cost rupees 46. Find the cost of 1 pencil and that of 1 pen. So here what we are going to do? So 5 pencils, 7 pens. 7 pencils, 5 pens. So we don't know the cost of 1 pen or 1 pencil. That is what we need to find. Like previous subdivision, we are going to assume let the cost of 1 pencil be rupees X. Same way, cost of 1 pen be rupees Y. Or you can swap X and Y, not necessary to have for pen or pencil. Okay, that's up to you. But be clear in mentioning the variables, whatever you are taking. Okay. And now we are going to frame the equation according to the condition. First is 5 pencils, 7 pen. So cost of 1 pencil into 5 pens plus cost of 1 pen into 7. So we are going to multiply. So X into 5. 5X plus 7Y equal to 50. If you check here, we cannot simplify further. So we are leaving it here as the first equation. Same way, 7x plus 5y equal to 46. Here also we cannot simplify. So we are just having as it is. So if any number like we have common throughout to divide, we can do that. Now we'll try to find the points. Either we can have x on one side or y. So we'll have x on one side, take this y to the other side, so that will become minus, and we'll divide by 5, isn't it? 50 minus 7y, the whole by 5. So let us substitute y as 0. So 7 into 0 is 0, 50 minus 0 50 by 5, it is 10. Then we'll substitute y as 5, 7 5s are 35, 50 minus 35, 15 by 5, it is 3. Okay, and here also we'll do the same thing. We'll have x on one side, it is 5 here, so it is easy to do, so we'll do that. So 5y equal to 46 minus 7x, so y is equal to 46 minus 7x by 5. We'll do by substituting the points. When we substitute x as 3, 7 3s are 21, 46 minus 21 is 25. When we divide it by 5, we will get 5. Same way, we will substitute x as 8. So 7 8s are 56, 46 minus 56 is minus 10, minus 10 by 5, it is minus 2. So we have the points 10, 0, 3, 5 for the equation 5x plus 7y equal to 50. Then 3, 5 and 8, minus 2 for the equation 7x plus 5y equal to 46. Now we will do it graphically. When we plot graphically, so mention the equations. We have the 3, 5 and 10, 0 for the equation 5x plus 7y equal to 50, and 3, 5 and 8, minus 2 for 7x plus 5y equal to 46. And I forgot to tell one thing. So whenever we are plotting on the graph, either in graph sheet or the note, wherever you do, mention the scale. So that is very important. Origin, x, y, x dash, y dash. These things I think you know already, but still mention those points without forgetting. Okay. And clearly if you see 3, 5 belongs to both the equations, and that is the answer for this question, 3, 5. So we have pencils 3 and pen 5. That is, the cost of one pencil is rupees 3, cost of one pen is rupees 5. Before working out the second question, we will have that concept. So once you understood this concept, it will be easy to work out the following questions. We have two general equations, a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Here a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2 are the coefficient of x, y and constants in the two equations. Okay. To find whether the lines are intersecting at a point or parallel or coincident, we need to find the ratio a1 by a2, that is the coefficient of x from both the equations. Separately you will find. If you can simplify, you can do that. Simplified answer only needed. Same way the coefficients of y from both the equations, that is b1 by b2, and the constant from two equations, that is c1 by c2. After simplifying and finding the value of these ratios and whatever the number we are getting, for intersecting at a point, or in terms of solution we say unique solution. That means only one solution. Like previous question we did earlier, 3, 5, 7, 3 or 3, 7. Only one point will get as the answer. That is intersecting at a point. It can be at anywhere. Okay. For that, the ratio should be the simplified answer of a1, a2 and b1, b2. Leave out the constant, only we will compare these two. If the ratios of a1, a2 and b1 by b2 is not equal, then the lines are intersecting at a point, that is unique solution. Once you are like, when we do the question, you will understand. The ratios will be, all the ratios will be equal. a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. If suppose you are getting a1 by a2 as 3 by 7, b1 by b2 also 3 by 7, c1 by c2 also the 3 by 7. So if all the values are same, all the ratio values are same, then it is coincidence line. Okay. For parallel lines, we cannot find the answer because it will not intersect at any point. So the solution cannot be found. So number of solution will be null or no solution. For coincident line, there will be more than one point. So it will be infinite number of solution. For intersecting at a point, only one solution we have. So it is unique solution. Okay, for parallel lines, the condition will be A1 by A2 ratio and B1 by B2 ratio value will be equal, but that will not be equal to C1 by C2. Remember these three formulas, like formulas you remember for the three conditions. For unique solution or intersecting at a point, A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2. For coincidence line or infinite number of solution, all the three ratios are equal. A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. For parallel lines, that is no solution. A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 that is not equal to C1 by C2. We will do the first subdivision. 5x minus 4y plus 8 equal to 0, 7x plus 6y minus 9 equal to 0. If we have y or x value or constant to the other side, make everything to one side. Then along with plus and minus we have to take. Don't leave out the negative sign. Okay. So from the first equation, values of a1 is 5, coefficient of x, b1 coefficient of y, minus 4, constant c1 is 8. Similarly, a2 is 7, B2 is 6, C2 is minus 9. So, we'll find the ratio A1 by A2 is equal to 5 by 7. We cannot simplify. B1 by B2 minus 4 by 6. When we simplify, it is minus 2 by 3. And C1 by C2 is minus 8 by 9. When you compare the values of these ratios, 5 by 7 is not equal to minus 2 by 3. That means A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. Recall the formulas that we have discussed previously. A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2 satisfy the condition for unique solution or the lines intersect at a point. So these pair of linear equations represent the lines intersecting at a point. So next we have A1 equal to 9, A2 is equal to 18, B1 equal to 3, B2 is equal to 6, C1 is equal to 12, C2 is equal to 24. We will find the ratios. A1 by A2 is 9 by 18. We can simplify that. So it is 1 by 2. B1 by B2, it is 3 by 6. We can simplify that. The value is 1 by 2. And C1 by C2, it is 12 by 24. We can simplify the answer. That is 1 by 2. All the ratios, if you check, the values are same. 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. That means A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. The ratio values are same. That means the lines are coincidence or infinite number of solution. 6x minus 3y plus 10 equal to 0, 2x minus y plus 9 equal to 0. That means A1 value is 6, A2 value is 2, B1 value is minus 3, B2 value is minus 1, sorry it is minus 3, C1 value is 10, C2 value is 9. Okay, so A1 by A2, if you find the value, that is 6 by 2, we can simplify it, yeah? So it is 3. B1 by B2, it is minus 3 by minus 1, minus minus cancel, 3 by 1, it is 3. C1 by C2, it is 10 by 9, we cannot simplify. If you compare the values, A1 by A2 and B1 by B2 values are same, but C1 by C2 is not equal. So we have the condition A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2, not equal to C1 by C2. So this satisfies the condition for the lines parallel. That is no solution. Okay. In the next video, we will continue with question number 3. And if you have any doubt, post it in the comment section. I will try to clarify as soon as possible. Bye-bye.